If your Mercedes E-Class keeps dropping its CarPlay connection, it is usually a software handshake issue or a physical cable failure. Data shows that nearly 70% of connection drops are caused by using third-party cables that lack MFI certification. Before you take it to the dealership, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the root cause. Start by resetting your MBUX system and cleaning your phone's charging port, as dust often prevents a secure data handshake. Check your MBUX connectivity settings to ensure Auto Connect is enabled and that the internal hotspot isn't creating interference. On your iPhone, verify that CarPlay is allowed while the phone is locked and that Siri is fully enabled. If you use a wireless adapter, try switching back to a high-quality cable to see if the disconnects stop immediately. The vast majority of these issues are resolved with a new cable or a software update rather than expensive hardware repairs. Performing a clean wipe of the connection profiles on both the car and the phone is often the only way to clear a bugged handshake. Always keep an original Apple cable in your center console to rule out hardware failure when troubleshooting on the road. Remember that modern infotainment systems are essentially computers. Sometimes they just need a fresh start to function correctly. If these steps helped fix your E-Class connection, hit the like button and subscribe for more luxury car troubleshooting.